Right now, that wallet isn't yours, but give it time and it will be. I'm going to break down the exact process to execute a rug pull and stack up insane profits. Alright, I'm going to break down the whole strategy for you, but before that, we gotta dodge a huge mistake. Planning to launch on Pump.Fun, stop right there, this is crucial. If you check out Photon with the Pump.Fun filter, you'll notice Memecoins crashing left and right. Right now, Fairy and Ding just hit the scene, but they're already doomed. The problem? Pump.Fun is packed with lazy copy-paste projects. Anyone can list a token there with zero effort. Radium is the hidden gem. When you sort through new launches, in the last 5 minutes only 8 tokens pop up. That's next to no rivalry. And the buzz? Off the charts. Just peek at these stats. Tens of thousands in liquidity and volume, millions in market cap. Traders lose it over Radium drops because launching here takes legit dev chops, which means instant trust. That's why we're all in. Here's how we play it. Launch Tool is basically the ultimate shortcut for launching tokens on Radium. No more coding struggles, just a couple of clicks and boom, your token is live. I've been using this method nonstop for 30 days and the profits, absolutely insane. Alright, step 1 is designing our logo. Head over to Canva and start a new project with 128 by 128 dimensions. I scoured the internet and discovered this dope emblem perfect for our token. You know I keep it aligned with animals, so this time I went with Husky. Tweak the positioning if needed, then just click save. Boom. Done. Yo, time to launch that Memecoin. First things first, open up launchtool.io, watch out for fake sites. Once you're in, just tap select wallet and link up whatever wallet you're using. First up, let's give your token a killer name. Punch in something memorable in the name slot, for example here Husky Coin, then add a slick ticker symbol like Husky. For the description, you can leave it blank, but let's put something like, the new Husky coin is here, up to the moon. Logo time, toss in the one you whipped up in Canva, click next, and boom, you're golden. Perfect, the token supply is already set up flawlessly. Keep it locked at 1 billion coins. No need to adjust anything, just smash that next button and keep rolling. The creator info page tries to get you to drop 0.1 sol on some promo, but honestly, skip it. Your token's real traction will come from Radium's liquidity pools, not some sketchy promo site. Save your soul, hit skip, and bounce. No need to waste your coins here. Yo, like I already said, you don't gotta overcomplicate this. The website and social media stuff. Nah, just tap skip and bounce. No need to waste time here. Don't skip the revoke options. This is non-negotiable. Yeah, it's 0.3 sol, but think of it as insurance for your project's credibility. Keeping these active shows investors you won't pull shady moves like locking wallets, tweaking supply, or altering token details. If they spot these disabled, they'll ditch your token instantly and your launch will flop. Trust me, that small fee is nothing compared to the trust you'll gain. Once everything's locked in, click Launch My Token Now and approve the TX. Head to the next page and select the final option at the very bottom. That's where your token details will show up on SolScan. This is where you'll verify your circulating supply, token name, and symbol. Alright, let's hop back into Launch Tool and get that liquidity pool set up. Click on Create Liquidity Pool. It'll take you straight to Radium. Double check that your wallet's linked. For the base token, choose the one you just created. Go back to Launch Tool, tap the first icon near the pool button, and grab your token's address. Drop that into the search bar, then type in your token's symbol and name. Click Add User Token and pick yours. Alright, so we just created 1 billion tokens. That's the hard cap. To kickstart liquidity, let's lock in 900 million. Since we're on Solana, Sol is the obvious pairing. Dump all your Sol in, but keep 0.2 aside for Radium's cut. Bonus, being the first in means you're guaranteed profits. Pick the 2% fee option, hit Initialize Pool, and approve the transaction. Done, your token is now trading. Head over to the Portfolio section, flip to Standard View, and give it a minute before refreshing to spot your LP. No rush if it's not there instantly, sometimes it lags a little. First up, open Photon and switch your view to Radium. Our new token should be visible in the list, just tap on it. Once it loads, check the browser's address bar and copy all the text that comes after the last /. Head over to Deck Screener, find a random token, and swap out its contract address. Just drop your token's address after the final slash in the URL. Boom, you're in. There might be a few small buy orders, but don't get fooled. Those are just bots fishing for steals. The serious trading action kicks in later, so I'm chilling for now. After 15 minutes of sleepy trading action, someone just swooped in with a $60 buy, that's 0.4 sol, and bam, the chart just went vertical. Bots are doing their usual profit-taking thing, but hey, we're playing the long game here. This could be the start of something big if the momentum holds. Keep those buys coming, and let's see where this goes. It's been 20 minutes, and this coin's still flexing. Liquidity's sitting around $200, which is 1.5x what we threw in at launch. Price just pumped 90% in the last 5 minutes, scooped in at $105, dropped 0.7 sol. This is wild. Check that chart, massive breakout. Almost $400 in the liquidity, $900 market cap. Feels like this thing's about to teleport into another realm. This move's actually low-key brilliant. Since we're managing the pool, risk is super chill and we can run this back all day. Just threw in another $80, 0.55 sol. But honestly, we're sitting pretty now. Feels like the right moment to lock in gains and pivot to the next setup. It's all about timing those exits like a pro. Head over to Radium's platform and check out your portfolio tab. Stay on the default view labeled My Positions. If your tokens don't load immediately, no worries. Just wait a bit and refresh the page. When they show up, click the minus sign, adjust the slider to 100% or tap the max button, then confirm by hitting Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction, and just like that, your assets are back in your wallet. I started with only 0.9 sol in my wallet. Once I launched this token, my balance almost doubled. Not bad for barely any effort, right? Just to spell it out, this isn't financial advice and I'm not promoting rug pulls. Pure education here. No ties to any platforms mentioned, but I'll drop the links. Right now, the opportunity is insane, but it won't last. Don't sleep or you'll regret it later.